Welcome to all. In this mathematics video, we study how to trace the Rose curve, that is of the type polar curve, with the help of example. Trace the curve r is equal to a sine 2 theta. This question asked in May 15 for first year engineering in SPPU University. Now let's solve this example in the step-by-step manner. Step 1, we find the region of a curve that is depend upon the value of a. So r is equal to a sine 2 theta. We compare with r is equal to a sine n theta. We get value of a is a, means we need to draw the curve circle of a radius a. So this is what we get, an area to draw the curve. In step 2, we find a number of loops. Now how to find a number of loops? Number of are depend upon the value of n. Comparing r is equal to a sine 2 theta with r is equal to a sine n theta, we get the value of n. So n is equal to 2, that is even. So this is 2n is equal to 4 similar loops. So we can draw the 4 similar loops for this particular curve. Also, for even number, we draw the loops into 2 consecutive sectors. Step number 3, size of a sector. Now size of a sector is again depending upon the value of n. Here n is equal to 2, so we divide each quadrant into the 2 equal sector, and each quadrant is of size pi by 2 divided by 2, so we get pi by 4 is the size of each sector. So with the help of diagram we understand this. These are the sectors. So this is our first sector, this is our second, third, fourth. Likewise we get in different sectors of size pi by 4. In step number 4, we find a starting point. It is depending upon whether it is of sine or cos. So for this particular example, r is equal to a sine 2 theta, we draw the first loop along theta is equal to pi by 4. So if you observe with the help of a diagram, we need to start this loop at this particular point at pi by 4. Now to find the behavior of a tangent in each sector. First of all, r is equal to a sine 2 theta. We find the derivative of this constant outside. Derivative of sine theta is cos 2 theta into 2. So tan phi is equal to division of these two. So if we observe, we get a get cancelled, and sine upon cos is tan and 2 remain as it is. So we get tan phi is equal to 1 upon 2 tan 2 theta. Now we prepare a table for this. So consider each sector 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, that is 0 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 6 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 and 8 pi by 4. Now we need to find a value of r and theta for each this value. So for 0 at 0, we get 0 is a radius and tan phi is a 0. So we get this. At pi by 4, r is equal to a and tan phi is theta, infinity. For pi by 4, we get a and infinity. Radius value is a and tan phi, that is angle made it with the radius vector is phi, theta. Infinity, that is infinity. So at pi by 4, the radius value is a and tan phi is infinity. So we get curve like this. For 2 pi by 4, radius is 0 and tan phi is also 0. So in diagram we get, so at 2 pi by 4, radius value is 0 and this red section shows the behavior of the curve. At 3 pi by 4, radius value is minus a and tan phi value, that is angle made up with the tangent with the radius vector, is infinity. So we get, so at 3 pi by 4, radius value is minus a and it is infinity. So we get curve like this, the behavior of the curve. In diagram 4 pi by 4, the radius value is 0. The behavior of a curve like this. Now for 5 pi by 4, the radius value is a and it makes an angle tan phi with the value infinity. So in our diagram, this value is a is like this and the curve behave like this. At 6 pi by 4, the radius value is 0 and tan phi value is 0. So in diagram we get behavior of a curve like, so this is what the behavior of a curve at 6 pi by 4, the radius value is 0. At 7 pi by 4, radius value is minus a and tan phi value is infinity. So this will represent in the curve. At 7 pi by 4, the value is minus a. So behavior of a curve is like this at 7 pi by 4. At 8 pi by 4, that is for the 0 or 360 degree, the radius value is 0 and tan phi value is 0. So the behavior of a curve is, so the behavior of a curve is like this. Now let's again understand the behavior of a curve at each sector. At pi by 4 is like this. At 2 pi by 4 is like this. At 3 pi by 4 like this. At 4 pi by 4 like this. At 5 pi by 4 like this. At 6 pi by 4 like this. At 7 pi by 4 like this. So the final curve is look like this. So if you observe, the curve is like this. This is nothing but our final curve. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you. Visit again, comment below, subscribe the channel to get the new updates. Do your best.